just pile in there for me just like you did last night. Get in. Oh, oh, oh. All right, we're here at Baytown Skate Park. We have Jacob Baboolal.
What up?
Our shredder, a rider of MTB 182. He's gonna give us his bike check.
Sponsored.
We sponsor him. We're out here earning $10 a month from you. Jacob gets 50 cents. I get the rest.
I haven't seen my check.
I don't get any.
Yeah, we don't talk about Evan's money. All right, so tell us about your Morpheus V-Slope.
Yep, this is my anodized blue Morpheus V-Slope. I got a Fox 36 on the front. Pretty dialed, except for the scratches, but that's extra dialed. I run the Legacy Industry 9 rims with extra gold spokes. I run SRAM XO 1 crank set, carbon, with a SRAM GXP bottom bracket. Fox stickers for extra horsepower.
Yeah.
I can't remember what the seat's called, but it's a DD something.
Signal.
Signal.
I think.
He knows. He's sponsored. I'm not. I run the CZ 38 bars. ODL lock-on grips. They're a little worn. And I run the Avid Code with the Trick Stuff Trixer gyro, hydraulic gyro.
Special.
Custom made fitting from a Wave Runner crate, but we don't have to talk about that. It's a little ugly, but she does the job. I also run the Fox Float CTD. It comes with the V-Slope because I didn't want to upgrade because I'm lazy. Deity stickers for another extra half horsepower.
Ooh, race bike.
Yes. The Deity Blade Runner pedals. They're pretty sweet so far. Haven't had any problems, and they're super grippy. The Maxxis Icons for tires all the way around. I know Evan hates it, but I do just fine with it. Hey! Nose manual. Oh!
Wow.
I run the Avid, whatever is equivalent to the ice rotor. I can't remember.
Just pile in there for me just like you did last night. Get in.
What? The lighting is terrible.
Great. That'll make it better. All right. It's all good. We got Super Review. So tell us a little bit more about your Trickster.
My Trickster, it was kind of weird. I got it off a pink bike.
We actually can't see.
For like $100 with an Avid Trail 7 brake, and that thing was junk, so I switched it over to my Code, and the first time I rode with it, it like sucked ass, like a lot.
Would you say that it was shitty?
It was quite shitty. Yeah, it took like 2 rides to get all the air out of it, but it's like super dialed now. Bars pretty easily, and got a little bit of friction, but I don't care. I run a Race Face Atlas I-beam seat post and a Salsa seat clamp from the local bike shop.
Oh, sick. I used to have a Salsa.
I run a shit ton of spacers and an XT cog. So it's a 32-13 gear ratio.
Nice and high.
The Fox fork is like the best fork I've ever ran. I've had the Pike before, and I basically broke the steer tube loose so it would rock back and forth, and it was quite sketchy.
That's how mine's getting.
Yeah, I've
Evan's
also,
basically the same thing. Just
my last Pike did not last after Woodward. One Woodward visit killed it.
Don't buy Pike DJs. Rock Socks, if you're watching this, you suck.
Yeah, sponsor us.
Actually, on not want to be sponsored.
And then I have frame protectors because I kind of want this thing to last a little bit, but
Yeah, even though you've cracked it twice.
I broken the dropouts like twice already. But
Yeah.
I carry like 4 sets of spares in my truck now. So.
We're low key not cool with having Morpheus bikes.
Anymore, yeah. In the past, what is it? Like a month and a half? Jacob's broken his frame twice, Zach's broken his once. And then, yeah, mine's going downhill.
Yeah.
I want that canyon stitched.
Throw us some bikes. We'll shout
I'm
you
getting
out.
them in. All right.
All right, let's go get some clips. I think Jacob needs some clips of his bike jack.
Yeah.
Right? Let's go get some clips. Yo.